So next we can see the problem in Z parameter. For a two-port network, measurements are made and observed as below. With output terminal pair open, a voltage of 100 through the input port resulted I1 0 degree and V2 is 25 0 degree volt. With input terminal pair open, the same voltage applied to the output terminal pair resulted in I2 20 and V1 40. So read this question carefully. With output terminal pair open. So output terminal pair open means the value of I2 is equal to 0. Okay, output current is 0. Then what is the voltage? 100 volt is applied through the input terminal. So input la irukra voltage another 100. Okay. And next I1 value is 20 and V2 is 25. Okay, so write this value. Next, with input terminal open. Input terminal open means the I1 value is 0. Okay, the same voltage is applied to the output terminal. Abdina V2 value is 100. Same voltage da inga output terminal. Appo V2 is 100. Inga output line voltage apply pannumo adu inga apply pandrom 100. Okay, and V1 is 40 and I2 is 20. So now you want to find the Z parameters. What are the Z parameters? Z11, Z12, Z21, Z22. What is the formula for Z11? V1 by I1 when I2 is 0. Okay, when I2 is 0. So when I2 is 0, so I2 0 na in the network paakkanum. I2 0 varku what is V1? 100 divided by 20. 100 divided by 20. V1 by I1. Answer is 5. Okay, when you cancel this, you got 5. Next, Z12. Z12 value is V. What is the formula? V1 by I2 at I1 is 0. I1 0 in the network paakkanum. So what is the value of V1? 40. What is the value of I2? 20. Okay, you got 2 ohm. Next is Z21. V2 by I1 at I2 is 0. So I2 0 means you want to see this network. That is V2 value is 25 and I1 value is 20. Okay, answer is 1.25 ohm. Next is Z22. That is V2 by I2 when I1 is 0. So what is V2 value? 100 and what is I2 value? 20. Answer is 5 ohm. Okay, so these are the Z parameter. Next, loop equations. What are the loop equation? V1 is equal to Z11. So loop equation வந்து V1 V2. Okay, Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2. So you got Z11 value was 5. Okay, 5 I2 plus 2 I2. 5 I1 plus Z11 value is 5. So 5 I1 plus Z12 value is 2 I2. Next V2. V2 is Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. So what is Z21 value? 1.25 and Z22 value is 5 I2. Okay. So the next problem, for a certain two-port network, V1 and V2 are given by this equation. So in the equation, we can find Z parameter easier find because you know the equation V1 is Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2. So Z11 value is 60 and Z12 value is 20. So this equation V2 is Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. So Z21 value is 20 and Z22 value is I2. 60. Okay, so these are the Z parameters. So next, from the Z parameters of the two-port network are Z11 equal to 40 ohm, Z22 is equal to 50, Z12 and 21 is 20. Find the equivalent T network. So equivalent T network நம்ம பார்த்தோம் என்னல represent பண்ணுவோம் ZA, ZB, ZC. So what is the formula for ZA? Z11 minus Z12. Okay, so we know Z11 value, Z22 value, 40 minus 20 is 20. Next is ZB value. So what is ZB formula? Z22 minus Z21. So what is Z22? 50 minus 20, so 30 ohm. ZC is Z12 equal to Z21. That is the value is 20 ohm. So easily you can find the answer. Next, for the given symmetrical network, find the Z parameter. So it is a T network. So from this T network, you know, ZA is this one, that is 40 ohm, and ZB is again 40 ohm, and ZC is 20 ohm. ZA, ZB, ZC. Okay, so from this, what is Z11? ZA plus ZC. So ZA 40 plus 20 60 ohm. Z12 is 20 ohm. Z22 is ZB plus ZC. Okay, that is 60 ohm.